Alright, so I got a new battery. Let's check with the voltmeter if it's charged or not. We got a 12.8. It's a little better than our previous battery, which was struggling to get anywhere around 12.3, and when you hit the on switch it dropped to 11.8, which a lot of people are saying is undercharge or discharge. A lot of people said I should get a new battery, so here it is. And I really hope that this is the problem fixer, but if not, then I'm probably gonna go and say it's the starter, but one thing at a time. Alright, battery's all hooked up. Let's all witness a grown man cry of either overjoyment of his motorcycle being fixed, or his motorcycle not being fixed. Alright, so we know the battery starts up. The electronic shit doesn't turn over. Alright. I heard the engine try and crank, so the engine did move, but didn't even turn over. Nothing. Nothing at all. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? Should I buy a starter? You guys hear that? That noise is coming from right here, which I believe this right here, I'm assuming, is the starter. And if you listen closely, you guys hear that? Battery's at 12.58. You all saw, oh, it's going up slowly. You all saw that it was at 12.8 before, so the battery had enough juice. Now it's at 12.6. Turn it off. So I'm assuming that's the starter making noises, and maybe the starter just doesn't fucking work. So battery is new, so that's not the problem. It's back up to a 12.73. Keeps going up. I hope it's the starter, because if I replace that and it doesn't start, I don't know, man. Do I have to take my fairings off to get to that? It looks like I do. Fucking A. It's been 2 weeks since I rode this thing, so I'm having withdrawals right now. Been having withdrawals. I need a screwdriver. Okay, so the bike is on. There's no gas tank, but I'm assuming that the starter would still spin, no? And it's not spinning. Okay, so negative terminal is, and the starter is hooked up to the voltmeter. Bike is on. We're gonna see if the starter is getting power.
Ah, crap, Nick.
It is kinda.
Got 12.42.
Yeah, but you didn't have it on all the way.
Yeah, it slipped.
Anyway, the starter is getting power.
It slipped right off. It's slipping. It's like a circle middle part. There you go. Now try.
Yeah, it's about where I get. Okay, so the starter's getting power, but the starter's not turning it.
This then?
I think it's the starter.
Nick, what about this?
Hold on, I have to do my signature. Okay, good. Or yeah, broom it.